ಹಲೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಸುಪ್ರೀತ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗೋದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to explain the chapter strings. There are 17 functions in the string chapter. This is the portions for your semester 2 grade 10th computer applications. Okay. Now I am going to share my screen. Yes. You can see the screen. First, what are the syllabus for your semester 2? The chapters are library classes, encapsulation, arrays, and string. First, I'm going to start with voice over. Means I started with string handling. Okay. Then, in string handling chapter, what are all the concepts? Syllabus is there. Okay. First, what is the meaning of string? How to implement the string? How to define a string? Then around we have 17 functions there, starting from trim to lowercase to uppercase, how to find the length and how to find the character at that index, and how to find the index of that character, and how to find the last index, and how to concatenate the two strings, and how to compare, ignoring the cases, and how to compare with ignore cases, and how to replace, and the string substring, string, and boolean starts with, and boolean ends with, and strings well. Today I am going to explain this, and by using these 17 function, if we know this properly means, then we can crack the string programs easily. We can ask any type of questions, any type of programs. If you know the properly the string function, then only we can crack the string programs. Okay. Now let's start with what is the meaning of string. String comes under non-primitive data type, right? It is also reference data type. What is the meaning of strings? String is a set of character within double quotes. It contains the more than one character. If it is single character, means that is character, that is single quote. If it is double quote, means that is strings. And you can see here within the double quote, that is known as strings. Next, we start with the function. The first function is trim. In general, what is the meaning of trim? Trim is nothing but we are going to cut, right? Here also in Java, in strings, the trim is it going to trim the white space. What is the space is there, right? If it is here, you can see in here you can see the space, and here before the computer and after the computer there is a space. If I am going to use I'm going to use the variable s here. S dot trim means it going to trim the spaces before the string and after the string within the double quote. Okay, only white spaces. This is trim. And second one is how to convert an uppercase into lowercase at a time. If it is single character means in library classes we know how to convert uppercase lowercases. Here how can we convert directly from uppercase to lowercase means s dot to lowercase. If it is already in the lowercase means it will show the lowercase one. Okay. Computer. And the third one is vice versa. If it is in the lowercase means I am going to convert into uppercase s dot to uppercase. Here the first letter it should be small letter 2 and U and C should be capital letter, because Java is a case sensitive. While writing the functions you should be aware of the case sensitive. Next one is length. In array, what is the function? Array, that is also length is there. Here you can see in note. Length is function to find the length of an array. How to find the length of a string? By using after the length, you are going to open the parenthesis and close the parenthesis. So it will give the what is the length of the string, where index start from here 1, not from 0. Okay, if it is the what we call while defining array of strings, it will index start from 0. While finding the length of an array, it will start from here. You can see ICSE 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, what is the return type? It should be integer. Next, this function is character at. Here we are going to find the character at that index. Here the input is index, the output is character, and return type is also character. Here they are given example. You can see the syntax: character variable, character at index. Okay. Here they give the character computer. What is the to find that? Find the length of the array. Here we are going to index the array. It starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Okay. Now st dot character at, if they are given input is 7. What is the character in 7? It will give to here. It's going to create. Sorry, going to print the value R, not T. Next one. Next, index of, it is the vice versa. Here we are going to give the input character and we are going to find the index. Example, here you can find the index alphabet start from here it I0, C1, 2, 3, 4. Here that is the first index 0, 1, 2, 3. It will going to take the first occurrence. See, it returns the index of first occurrence of a character. C is 2C is there, characters is in the strings. So what is the first occurrence? That is 1. Okay. It will going to print, sorry, it will going to print the number. So what is the return type of this one? That is integer. And last index of, in that sixth one, it is going to print first occurrence. In this, we are going to print last occurrence. Example, here I have taken the Malayalam. So the last index of Malayalam, here you can say starting from 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 means what is the last occurrence of A? That is 7. Okay. Next, how to concatenate the two strings. Example, how to concatenate the integer means 15 plus 18. 15 plus we are going to use the arithmetic operator. How to what we call how to concatenate or to adjoining of two strings. There is a one function that is concat. Here they are taken computer and second one is application. And where is that computer is stored which variable x dot concat of y. So what is the output we get? Computer application. Next, the ninth function is equals. This is equal to check whether the two strings are equal or not. Should be aware of this. While cracking the string programs, you should be know this one. Okay. How to, here the return type is they are given boolean, right? Here they are given boolean. If it is true means, if both the strings are true means, it will give the true way. Here both are computer, but the thing is both one is uppercase and another one is lowercase letter. So Java is a case sensitive, so it will show the value is false. And the 10th function, it is same as the 9th function, that is equals function. Only here they are going to ignore the case. So answer will be now true. If it is computer instead of R, if I am not going to write the R means that will give the false. Both the both the strings are same means if it will going to ignore the case. The 11th one is here we are going to calculate the compare to. That is we are going to in the last two functions we are going to check whether the two strings are equal or not. Here this function is going to compare the two strings. It not only the comparing the two strings, whether the string is bigger or it's going to check whether the string is bigger or smaller than the other. Okay. Now you can take if the two strings are same means example computer and computer and y also computer means it will give both the strings are same. And if the value of the variable is greater than the means string 1 is greater than string 2. And if value is greater than 0 means string 1 is less than the string 2. Okay. Here you can take the example. Computer and string y is taken as sign. C is C. We are going to find x2 dot compare of y. And what is the difference between capital C and small c they are taken? what is the capital value of capital C, ASCII value, and capital value of small c. Then you are going to calculate. If it is the first string is first, we are going to compare with the first character and in first string and the first character in second string. Then it is going to differentiate. The first character is this. Okay. And note the ASCII code of corresponding character are same throughout the string. Then the both the strings are declared to be same. Right? What the computer means between two characters. Next, int compare to ignore case. That is what if it is the what we call it is the same as 11th function. It's going to calculate. It won't while calculating it will ignore the case. And the third one is how to replace the old character with a new character. Example, here we're going to check Kannada. Instead of NN, they are given MM. Here we will go to the syntax. String replace the first letter. What is the letter to be replaced and what is the letter to be arrive? Means appear. First, M is to be replaced and N is to be appear. So if it is M is replaced with N is, what is the output you will get? Kannada. M is where all the M is there, it will be replaced with M. Got it? And substring. 14th function is string. If they are given in string, how to print the substring. Now syntax string dot substring and start index. Where is this one in this function? We are going to what is the input? What is the starting index? Okay. Example here in compute here. It starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Here they are going to starting index is they are taken 3. 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3, P. It will start from P, U, T. It's going to print starting from 3. After that, what is that string is there? What is that character? We will going to print. Okay. And the 15th one. Here in the last function, we are not going to define the end index, only starting index. Here we are going to take what starting index and end index. In same only computer, it will start from 3 means PUTE 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will not going to take the 7th index. See, excluding the character present at the last index. That's why I have given the profit. It's not going to take the last index. Means that last index, what is that last number? So it's going to print what is the character in the index 3, 4, 5, 6 PUT. It's going to exclude the character presented at the last index. And the 16th one with it's going to check whether the string is present with means start with which string. Example here start with computer is 1. Okay, second is I have taken COMP. The start with is P, start with B. I'm going to take COMP. Computer is start with this string P is start with COMP, right? So true. If it is not, if it is OMPUTR means I'm going to print the value false. And return type is Boolean. And the 11th one is the 16th is starts with the 17th program is ends with. We are going to check with the what is the string, what is the end string. If both the strings are meant the end string is 1 year, so it will going to print the true. These are all the 17 functions. These are all the 17 different functions in your string chapter. And you can see what is that after that string boolean ends with program based on the above method extracting and modify the character of a string, alphabetical order of a string in an array, bubble and selection sort techniques, searching for a string and using linear search technique. These are the techniques, bubble sort, selection sort, and linear search comes under array chapter that I can define. By using this string function, how we can use the string function in arrays also. Okay. In this session, I'm going to only deeply explain the string functions. Okay. Next session, I'm going to explain the string programs as well as by using these functions how to track the string program and arrays. That is in your linear search technique, linear search technique. You can explain in next. If you understand this the 17th program. If you like it means you can click on the like button, and if any have a doubt means you can check me in comment box.
Thank you for watching the video. All the best for your future, guys.